Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna show you how I clean the dabber. So first thing I do is that I set it to the blue setting all the way, so like the highest setting, and then I'll go ahead and give it a cycle. So and just give it a good heating. So again, that's just prepping it to loosen up the excess oil that's inside. So you just give it one cycle. All right. You got the cloud going on. All right, so it's already stopped. So then I'll take a piece of toilet paper. I'll cover it up like this, and then I'll just go ahead and shake off the excess. But I typically do it over the toilet or over a faucet. But just be careful with how you shake it, because you don't want to drop your shit in the toilet. You know what I'm saying? So keep shaking that off. So what should happen is that take this out, and all that nasty excess oil runs up here, and then you're ready to kind of sort of clean it. It's only gunky in my case because I was using this for hash when I was in Amsterdam. So that's that. So now I'll go ahead and do it another round. Just to make sure that some of it's wiped off. And then you kind of know you're at the bottom when you can see the thing heating up. So there's another round. Just because, get it out the way. Alright. So that's done. So then I grab a Q-tip, some rubbing alcohol. It's like this. So let's put this down for a minute. So into the Q-tip with rubbing alcohol and just start wiping around the area. So I had to drop my phone for a minute. I'll show you how that looks like. So yeah, you didn't get to see it, but this is what it looks like after you give it a quick run through with some rubbing alcohol and the Q-tip. So that's me able to at least not get it entirely spiffy, but it's cleaner than it was before. So in another round, just get the alcohol out. And then once again, run a cycle. So at that point, it should be burning off any of that rubbing alcohol that you had left in there. And then just what I typically do, then use the other end of the Q-tip, the clean side, and just use that to wipe off any excess. So kind of like this. Let me drop my phone for a minute. So this is what it looks like after I give it a quick run through. Again, it's not going to be spiffy, but it's a lot cleaner than it was initially. So that's how I typically clean the atomizer in here. But you also want to make sure that you clean the mouthpiece too, specifically because this area right here, this little filter, this cap does come off. So just make sure that that's not clogged up, because if it's clogged up, then it's going to be a problem using it later. So just make sure you give it a quick run through. And as long as you can exhale and inhale from the mouthpiece, you're fine. But if you can't inhale or exhale, you might want to go ahead and check the insides, make sure it's cleaned up. Let me show you. So yeah, that's typically how I clean up the dabber. So hopefully yours will be all set, and let me know what you think.